Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. Before and after pictures of a woman who used apple cider vinegar to remove her acne. Have you ever felt insecure because of your eczema? Don't worry, an effective and natural remedy for your eczema is the widely known apple cider vinegar. How apple cider vinegar affects eczema. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of apple cider vinegar, ACV, come from lactic, acetic, and malic acids. These acids relieve inflammation, dry skin, itchiness, and help in the treatment of skin infections. ACV also contains beta-carotene, which supports cell renewal. Since vinegar is rich in potassium, it can fight allergies and keeps pH of the skin at a healthy level. ACV contains a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals such as sodium, iron, pectin, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. These can help control eczema and boost our immune system. Apple cider vinegar contains huge amounts of fiber which can help eliminate of toxins that can cause eczema. 5 reasons to wash your face with ACV. Besides being excellent for eczema treatment, apple cider vinegar rejuvenates and cleanses your skin. However, be careful not to apply undiluted apple cider vinegar on your face. First, dilute it with water in equal amounts, and before applying it onto your face, try it on some other part of your body, such as the skin on your hand. The skin on your face is very delicate and can be sensitive. Here are 5 reasons to start washing your face using this vinegar. 1. Your age spots will disappear or at least will be reduced with the help of this vinegar. Moreover, due to the alpha hydroxyl acids contained in the apple cider vinegar, washing your face with it can remove the dead cells and reveal new healthy skin. Another way to remove your age spots using this vinegar is to apply it directly on them with the help of a cotton ball. After 30 minutes, wash your face with cool water and gently dry it. Use this treatment 2 times a day for 6 weeks for best results. 2. Apple cider vinegar fights pimples, acne, and blemishes since it's a powerful antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial substance. The acne will stay away from your face, and you won't have to spend money for those commercial acne creams. 3. This vinegar is also great for keeping the balance of your skin, by balancing the sebum production. So, ACV will remove the oil from your skin, but at the same time, it will keep your skin's pH balanced so that your skin does not become too dry. 4. Washing or dabbing your face with a cotton pad or cloth with diluted ACV can reduce the appearance of wrinkles. After applying ACV, rinse your face with warm water and pat it dry. 5. Washing your face with apple cider vinegar can help you eliminate toxins from your skin, making it youthful and clean. Apple cider vinegar effects on eczema. For the treatment of eczema, use combination of this vinegar with other ingredients that are usually found in most kitchens. Since it has antibacterial and antifungal effects, apple cider vinegar immediately soothes skin affected by eczema. You will need 3 cups water, 1/4 cup ACV, cotton balls. Directions: pour the vinegar and the water in a bowl. Using a cotton ball, apply the blend on the affected area. Do this treatment until your eczema is completely gone.